Hello everyone. In this video I would like to show you one of my favorite places in the mandelbrot set. Okay, here we start. Here you can see the reset marker. This tells you that I visited this place before. Just to make sure that I show you a good location. Okay, I zoom in. So we are in the interesting area. I can remove the reset marker. I will increase the iteration limit to remove the black dots, and then I will reverse the color map, and I will change the power norm, the exponent to 0.9, yes, and then I will rotate the color map. Okay. This is what I liked. Then we see now white dots, and they can be removed with the interpolation. We choose Gaussian. Okay. Then we enable the shader, add some depth, and start smoothing. Okay. Then I would like to zoom in a little bit further. Okay, here we are. This is what I wanted to show to you. So for me, this structure reminds me a little bit on a SunFlower. This is why I called the PNG file SunFlower.png. I will load the file, so this is what is in the file. I will store the file in the GitHub repo from where you can download it. I'd like to move a little bit around because it's also a very interesting area. Let's zoom in. This is really great. For me, this looks really interesting and very, I can't tell. Okay, so these things you would find easily if you download sunflower.png. Okay, I think that's what I wanted to show you. Thank you for your attention.